Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways for creators to grow their audience and build a long term business. While social media platforms can change their algorithms at any time, your email list is something that you own and you control. That's why choosing the right email marketing platform is so important. One tool that is especially popular among creators is ConvertKit. But is it really the best email tool for creators? In this video, we will take an honest look at ConvertKit, its features, strengths, and potential limitations. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover software tools that can help you to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get the special offers on ConvertKit. By using the description link, any available offers that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. ConvertKit was built especially for creators. Unlike some email marketing platforms that focus mainly on large businesses, ConvertKit is designed for bloggers, YouTubers, coaches, authors, course creators, and online entrepreneurs who want to build and engage an audience. One of the first things you will notice is how simple the platform feels. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and beginner friendly. If you have never used email marketing software before, getting started with ConvertKit is usually a smooth experience. A key feature of ConvertKit is its subscriber management system. Instead of creating multiple email lists, ConvertKit uses a tag-based system. This allows you to organize subscribers based on their interest, actions, or behavior. As your audience grows, this can make email management much easier and more efficient. Another area where ConvertKit performs well is automation. You can create automated email sequences that welcome new subscribers, deliver free resources, promote products, or nurture lead over time. Once these automations are set up, they continue working in the background, helping you to save time while keeping your audience engaged. Landing pages and sign up forms are also included. This means you can create simple landing pages to collect email subscribers without needing a separate website builder. For creators who want to start building an audience quickly, this feature can be very useful. One reason many creators choose ConvertKit is its focus on audience growth. The platform includes tools designed to help you attract subscribers, deliver lead magnets, and build stronger relationships with your audience. Rather than feeling like a general business tool, it feels especially designed for content creators. If you sell digital products, courses, newsletters, or memberships, ConvertKit can also support those business models. It allows creators to connect their email marketing efforts directly with their products and offers, creating a smoother customer journey. When it comes to email design, ConvertKit takes slightly different approach from some competitors. Instead of focusing heavily on flashy templates, it encourages simpler emails that often feel more personal and authentic. Many creators actually prefer this because it can lead to better engagement and stronger relationships with subscribers. Of course, no platform is perfect. Businesses that need highly advanced CRM features or complex enterprise level marketing tools, they may find other platforms more suitable. Some users may also prefer platforms that offer more visual and email design options. However, for most of the creators, simplicity is often a benefit rather than a limitation. Pricing is another factor to consider. While there are cheaper email tools available, many creators feel that ConvertKit's creator-focused features and ease of use justify the investment. The real value comes from helping creators grow and monetize their audience more effectively. So, is ConvertKit the best email tool for creators? For many bloggers, YouTubers, coaches, authors, and online entrepreneurs, it's certainly one of the strongest options available. Its focus on simplicity, automation, audience growth, and creator friendly features that makes it a platform worth serious consideration. And that brings us to the end of this review. ConvertKit offers a powerful combination of email marketing, automation, subscriber management, and audience building tools designed especially for creators. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for any available ConvertKit offers. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.